Amal Clooney, celebrated international human rights lawyer, activist, and wife of Hollywood icon George Clooney, is no stranger to legal battles. But this time, the headlines have taken an unexpected and deeply personal twist. Reports have confirmed that Amal Clooney herself is involved in a legal battle of her own, an assault lawsuit that is rapidly gaining attention and raising eyebrows across the entertainment and legal worlds alike. Known for her fearless advocacy in the courtroom, Amal has represented some of the world's most high-profile human rights cases. But few could have predicted that Amal, a figure synonymous with justice, equality, and poise, would find herself at the center of an assault lawsuit, this time as the plaintiff. The details surrounding the lawsuit remain tightly sealed, but sources close to the situation have confirmed that Amal Clooney has filed an assault lawsuit against an undisclosed individual following a shocking incident that allegedly occurred at a private event several weeks ago. Insiders claim the altercation was both unexpected and deeply disturbing, involving an aggressive confrontation that left Amal visibly shaken. While specifics about the event have yet to be publicly released, what is clear is that Amal Clooney is not backing down. She is prepared to pursue justice with the same determination she's displayed in her professional career. Legal experts say Amal's involvement in such a personal case carries significant weight, not only because of her international reputation but because of the unprecedented legal and media implications that accompany a lawsuit involving someone of her stature. As the news of Amal's lawsuit circulates, many have turned their attention to George Clooney, and his silence is becoming impossible to ignore. The Oscar-winning actor, known for his charismatic presence and outspoken nature, has remained uncharacteristically quiet on the matter. This radio silence from George has led to a whirlwind of speculation. Is he choosing to stay silent to protect Amal's privacy and let the legal process unfold? Or is there something deeper happening behind the scenes? Paparazzi have captured George in recent days appearing distant and unusually withdrawn during public appearances, fueling theories that there may be more to the story than meets the eye. Some fans believe George's silence could indicate internal strain within the marriage. Others argue that the couple is simply presenting a unified, strategic front, choosing silence as a legal and PR strategy. Regardless of the reasoning, the public is left with countless unanswered questions, and curiosity is growing by the day. George and Amal Clooney have long been regarded as one of Hollywood's ultimate power couples, a rare combination of star power, intellect, philanthropy, and grace. Amal's legal brilliance and George's cinematic legacy have made them darlings of both the entertainment and humanitarian worlds. But this lawsuit, coupled with George's unusual silence, threatens to crack that carefully curated public image. Already, media outlets and fans alike are debating how this legal scandal could impact their reputations, their marriage, and their positions as influential figures in global affairs. Public support for Amal remains strong, with many praising her courage in taking legal action. However, critics argue that high-profile lawsuits, no matter how justified, always come with risks, especially when personal relationships and private matters become public fodder. The public's curiosity continues to escalate as new rumors emerge. Who is the accused in this assault case? What exactly transpired at the private event that prompted Amal to take such decisive legal action? And most importantly, why has George Clooney chosen to remain silent for so long? Insiders suggest that more details may emerge as the case progresses, especially if court documents are unsealed or if Amal decides to address the public directly. Some speculate that George may break his silence in a carefully orchestrated interview or press statement, while others believe he will let Amal's legal expertise speak for itself. With legal proceedings underway, all eyes remain firmly fixed on Amal Clooney. Known for her brilliance and composure, many believe she is more than equipped to handle this ordeal, but that doesn't mean the coming weeks will be easy. The intersection of celebrity, legal drama, and personal vulnerability makes this case one of the most talked about stories of the year. As for George, the world continues to wait for his next move. Whether he continues to maintain silence or eventually steps into the public eye to support his wife, one thing is clear: this is a defining moment for one of Hollywood's most admired couples. We will be following every update as this lawsuit develops and bringing you the latest verified information as it becomes available. What do you think about Amal Clooney's decision to take legal action? Do you believe George Clooney's silence is a strategic move or a sign of deeper issues? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. this is one conversation you won't want to miss. And remember, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the breaking news surrounding Amal and George Clooney, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you're always the first to know when new updates drop. Stay tuned for more shocking celebrity stories, exclusive reports, and behind-the-scenes details you won't find anywhere else.